Ever found yourself staring at your Ally account balance, wondering how exactly you're supposed to get that money moving? You're not alone. Making payments to Ally can seem a bit confusing at first, but fear not, because today we're breaking it all down. We'll cover everything from the basics of linking your accounts to exploring all the different payment methods Ally offers. So, grab your phone or laptop, and let's dive in. Imagine this. You're finally ready to tackle that dream vacation, but your Ally savings account is looking a little lean. You need to get some cash flowing in quickly and efficiently. Now, you could spend hours on hold with customer service, but who has time for that? Luckily, Ally makes it pretty easy to fund your accounts. Let's explore the different ways you can get your money moving. The first step to smooth sailing with Ally payments is linking your external accounts. This allows for seamless transfers between your Ally accounts and your checking or savings accounts at other banks. How to link your accounts? Log into your Ally account, head over to the Ally website or mobile app. Navigate to the Transfers section. You will usually find this under the Move Money tab. Select Link an external account. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll likely need your account and routing numbers from your other bank. Verify your account. Ally may require you to verify your account information by making a small deposit and then confirming the amount. Benefits of linking accounts. Automated transfers. Schedule recurring transfers to automatically move funds between your accounts on a set schedule, daily, weekly, monthly. This is perfect for building an emergency fund or consistently contributing to your savings goals. One-time transfers. Need to move money quickly? Initiate one-time transfers whenever you need them. Easy tracking. Monitor your transfer history within your Ally account for a clear overview of your transactions. Now that you've got those accounts linked, let's dive into the exciting world of Ally payment options. Ally offers a variety of ways to get your money moving, so you can choose the method that best suits your needs and preferences. Electronic transfers, ACH. This is the most common and often the fastest method. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. As we discussed, linking your accounts is key for smooth ACH transfers. Wire transfers. For larger or more urgent transactions, wire transfers are the way to go. They are typically faster than ACH transfers, often completing within the same business day. However, wire transfers usually come with associated fees. Mobile check deposit. Ally's mobile check deposit feature allows you to deposit checks directly into your Ally account using your smartphone. Simply snap a picture of the front and back of the check, and the funds will usually be available within 1 to 2 business days. Important note: always retain the original check for your records until the funds have cleared. Direct deposit. If you receive regular income, such as a paycheck, you can set up direct deposit with your employer to have your funds automatically deposited directly into your Ally account. This is a convenient and hassle-free way to ensure your money is always where you need it. Now, let's talk about some tips to ensure your Ally payments go smoothly. Double-check account information. Always double-check the account numbers and routing numbers before initiating any transfers to avoid delays or incorrect deposits. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your Ally account activity to ensure all transactions have been processed correctly and to identify any potential issues. Consider security measures. Utilize strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Contact Ally support. If you encounter any problems or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's customer support team. They are available to assist you via phone, chat, or email. Now, let's address some common concerns you might have. How long do payments take? The time it takes for a payment to process depends on the payment method. ACH transfers generally take 1 to 3 business days, while wire transfers are typically faster. Mobile check deposits and direct deposits also have varying processing times. Are there any fees associated with payments? Some payment methods, such as wire transfers, may have associated fees. However, Ally generally offers a wide range of free payment options. What if I make a mistake? If you accidentally send funds to the wrong account, contact Ally immediately. They may be able to assist you in recovering the funds, but it's important to act quickly. Ready to start making the most of your Ally account? Now that you have a better understanding of the different payment methods available, you can confidently move your money with ease and efficiency. Next steps. Log into your Ally account and explore the Transfers section. Link your external accounts to streamline future transactions. Schedule recurring transfers to automate your savings goals. Consider setting up direct deposit for hassle-free income management. Remember, if you have any questions or need assistance, Ally's customer support team is always ready to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.